My name is Gilmore. I'm at Northern Regional College. I'm in my 4th year in Carpentry and Joinery Level 3. Winning the gold in the UK WorldSkills last year was really big for me. I really wasn't expecting it. It was a really hard contest. There was boys on my ankles all the time, keeping up with me, and whenever we got to the ceremony, I heard that I won. My tutor was jumping up and down, my tutor was pleased, he was screaming and taking photos and all. It was really a big time for us.
When you first walk in to the WorldSkills, the NEC is a massive place. You see all the different heats, there's 70 different qualifications going on, anything from jewellery making to maintenance of lorries, media, you name it, whatever there was a qualification in was all in the NEC. Samuel, he was totally out of his element, but when he got there and got started, and I landed on the Thursday to see him working, it was first class. He didn't see anybody around him, head down, working hard.
Now one of my classmates is going now as well to compete, and all I can say is keep his head down and do well. Don't get distracted by the public around him, just keep going on with his work. From WorldSkills UK I've learned a lot of things. I've learned my accuracy and also my speed as well, and it really helped me on the site.